What? Okay. How's it going, my YouTube brothers and sisters? It's your boy AKN back here with another reaction video. What you just saw right now actually was the new Gorillaz song called Momentary Bliss. And fam, I am the huge, I'm not gonna say the biggest fan, because I'm sure there's people out there that have like the room completely decorated with Gorillaz stuff, but I'm a huge fan of Gorillaz, and they just dropped this new song a few days ago. Oh my god. Actually, never mind, it's been a few weeks. I'm just late to the game. Yo, best song, I'm gonna leave it in the description down below, go check it out. But we are back with another death battle reaction, and this time they got Black Canary versus Sindel from Mortal Kombat. This is DC versus Mortal Kombat. I have no clue who to pick. I mean, I never liked Sindel as a character playing in Mortal Kombat. That's just me. And Black Canary, I just never really cared for. She's just kind of one of those characters that were just there and did her thing. But no one really ever talks about her. At least as far as I know.
Why would you say something so controversial yet so brave?
I have no clue who's gonna win. I'm excited to watch this, and I hope you guys are excited to watch this with me because, yo, this is gonna be sick. Without further ado, yo, let's just start this right now. Alright, let's see this. Let's get a death battle.
It's a trope we're all
okay, I was gonna say, wait, that wasn't from Shrek. Oh, Robot Chicken!
These two are the opposite.
If
you ever hear their cry, you're dead. Black Canary, the blonde bare-knuckle brawler of DC.
Bare-knuckle brawler.
And Sindel, the literal scream queen from Mortal Kombat. He's Wiz and I'm Boomstick. And it's our job to
I want
their weapons,
Black Canary to
armor,
win.
and skills to find out who would win a death battle.
Oh damn, here we go.
Behold, the Justice Society of America. The first recorded
There was a
team
Black
of
Flash? Is that what I
superheroes
saw?
in the DC
What? I
universe.
didn't know that.
Where else could you find a boxer in a cat suit?
Oh, I know
chilling
that
with
guy.
The spirit of God's divine wrath. And among these men and gods stood a woman, the judo-chopping Black Canary. Wait, why a canary? Canaries don't know judo? Or do they? However, this is not the Black Canary we'll be focusing on today. See,
they're all
Black
old
Canary
now.
of the Golden
Damn.
Age may have been a skilled crime fighter in her own right, but the one who made the moniker a household name was her daughter, Dinah Laurel Lance.
Oh,
Dinah
that's her
wanted to be a
daughter.
crime fighter just like her mom, so she trained
5'5",
with Wildcat,
128.
the furry boxer I mentioned earlier.
PE teacher,
Her
and
mother
she's a
wasn't very
PE
happy
teacher,
about
damn.
that, though.
Trained
Young
by
Dinah's
Wildcat,
career
Lady
could have
Shiva,
ended then and there,
Kane,
if not for the
Batgirl, Wonder
discovery
Woman,
of
damn.
what she likes to call her canary cry.
So that
Such as these weren't ordinary, but well explained.
Damn.
See, Dinah possessed the
Here we
meta
go.
gene, a dormant slice of genetic code present in about 12% of humanity, granting superhuman abilities.
Oh, I always thought she had some sort of like device or something on her that just made her scream really loud. Never mind, I just don't know anything about her clearly.
Yeah, Wizard did it. With her new power and martial arts training, Dinah took up her mother's mantle and became Black Canary. The second
damn.
one. Is it weird that her mom was also named Dinah? They're really forming a dynasty.
Oh my
fun
gosh.
fact, originally, she disguised herself by donning a blonde wig, but eventually just dyed it permanently. Blonde? Don't you
Oh,
mean
so that's not even her real hair. I mean,
regardless, the
oh, he said
Canary
yell
cry is
out.
very By emitting focused ultrasonic sound, Dinah can annihilate the eardrums of anyone nearby. Or just ramp up the
Jesus.
volume and blow people away with shockwaves.
300 decibels, oh my
It's quite
god.
versatile too. She can
Canary
focus her
bombs,
cries
grappling
on
hook,
small
ultrasonic
sonic
flight
projectiles
harness,
or broaden them to
enhanced
affect entire cities.
ear
And by
membranes?
screaming hard
Okay.
enough at the ground, she can freaking fly. How the hell does that shit work? Let's dig into
She can
this.
fly by
For a
screaming at
sound
the
wave to
ground?
become a
Why?
shockwave, it must possess an intensity of
Ooh.
at least 194 decibels. For reference, Black Canary's highest recorded scream clocks in at over 300 decibels.
Oh my god.
That's the same level of bulls as a volcano erupting. All that power comes with a fairly obvious weakness, though. If her throat
Wait.
is damaged, she'll be unable to produce the cry.
Oh, she get throat
Got
punched?
some nifty ultrasonic canary bombs that do the super shouting for her.
Ah,
Not to say she's
that's cool.
useless without her super.
Whoa, whoa, Aikido, boxing, oh, she's a capoeira dancer too. Hey, okay. Dragon style kung fu. Oh my god, this girl knows so many things. Oh, Muay Thai and Krav Maga, yo.
Ass kickers. Thanks to Wild
Black
Cat and
Canary
her
is
mother,
sick.
Dinah has trained trained in jiu-jitsu, karate, Krav Maga, capoeira, and many, many more styles of martial arts. She knows holds that can put you to sleep, a punch that can detonate your heart, and even how to cause instant death by pushing a single nerve cluster.
She's basically the furious, blood-soaked love child of Kenshiro and the bride from Kill Bill. Also, before we go on,
yeah, she's cool.
Talk makes me want to see a judo canary in action. And what better opponent than our very own Mega Goose Howard?
Did you teach it judo?
No, don't hurt the bird. Oh, it's dead.
So, turns out they don't know judo. Where was the heads up on that one, Wiz?
Even with all of that, Dinah's greatest strength is perhaps her
sparred
uncanny
at
ability
nanosecond
to learn
speed.
and adapt mid-fight.
See, I don't get how, because she's still human. How is she, like, pulling off feats like that? Survived 1,000-foot drop into water head first. Damn.
Down to the nanosecond.
Sounds crazy, right? But
damn.
How else could she keep up with someone like Wonder Woman? Or how about the time she battled these red tornado androids? Green Lantern was using his power ring to scan for weaknesses, but Dinah said F that and stabbed it hundreds of times super fast. She found his literal Achilles heel before the power ring finished scanning.
That's right, she outsped an alien supercomputer. Keep in mind, Dinah does not technically possess superhuman speed.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
But I wouldn't be surprised if she secretly drank some super soldier serum at some point, cause she can outmuscle superhumans and smash steel like it's flimsy wood.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm so confused.
Dinah must have exerted a force of around 27 tons.
Yeah, but she doesn't have superpowers. It's so weird. Well, I mean, she does, but like, not super strength.
And even her own canary cry reflected back at her.
It helps that she has a special membrane in her ears that protects her from shockwaves.
Can't say the same for this robot dude, Amazo. For a murder-happy android with the combined powers of the entire Justice League,
she kill him?
Sure could have packed some aspirin.
She may be stubborn and hot-headed, but with her powers and training fine-tuned, Dinah proved her mom wasn't the only Black Canary to be reckoned with. She even teamed up with groups such as the infamous Birds of Prey, and at one point took charge of the Justice League, the spiritual successor to the original Justice Society.
Next to her main man, Green Arrow.
Hey, Green Arrow.
Time sticking arrows in that quiver. You know what
ha!
They did.
Yo, damn. She's
Long
fine,
story
though.
short, Black Canary is without a doubt one of the most badass women in comic book history.
Mm-hmm. Alright, now we're gonna hit Sindel. Thing is, I want Black Canary to win, but I feel like Sindel, they might pull like, oh, she's, you know, some sort of meta being, and she's been around for I don't know how long. Maybe Sindel is like thousands of years old for all I know. I don't really know much about the deep lore of Mortal Kombat, but I don't know. I feel like they're gonna pull some BS like that. I'm hoping. My money's on Black Canary. But let's see Sindel.
The realm of Edenia was a paradise. A
Team Sub-Zero forever.
If you will.
You said that like it was supposed to be clever.
Under the rule of King Jared and Queen Sindel, the realm prospered for millennia.
Oh, that's what she
until
looked like.
the arrival of Outworld Conqueror
Shao Kahn.
And the tournament of Mortal Kombat.
Mortal Kombat!
By decree of the Elder Gods, an
Mortal
invading
Kombat
force
is
from
so
another realm
sick.
must defeat the defending world 10 consecutive times in a tournament to the death.
Ooh.
Unfortunately for Edenia, Khan dabbed on their asses and won a
Damn.
himself.
To legitimize his rule, Khan murdered
Over
Jared, married Sindel,
10,000.
and adopted her daughter Katana as his own.
Yeah, so she is like thousands of years old. See, that's what I mean. I just totally guessed, but I'm like, okay, they're probably gonna say, hey, she has all of this experience, rocking with, Mother Princess Katana.
Probably.
Was a hero before time
Cindy
reset.
wasn't too happy about all that, but it turns out she was a
She is a
kung
cool
fu
character.
sorcerer. So, to avenge her kingdom, she underwent a mystic ritual where she offed herself to protect Khan's next target, Earthrealm, and it worked.
What?
For a time. After 10,000 years of hopelessly failing to take the Earth, Khan learned how to undo her protective ward. Sindel was resurrected, brainwashed, and transformed into a fierce queen of dark magic and terror.
She
Wow.
was back and ready to slay, and holy shit,
Shao Kahn's a
did she.
Sindel's
dick.
Edenian physiology gives her superhuman strength, speed, and durability,
Ooh.
allowing her to make mincemeat of Mortal Kombat's regular combatants.
You better have said that with a K.
Oh my
And
god.
despite being dead for the past 10,000 years, she's somehow a master of two forms of Chinese Kung Fu. Jiaquan originates from northern China and is known
Sorry,
for its
damn,
eloquent,
it's just-
graceful, extended movements. Fu Zhao Pai, also known as the Tiger
Fu
Claw
Zhao
system,
Pai.
focuses on fast, powerful strikes.
Sindel also wields a Kwando.
Oh, that's
it's a glaive designed for
Zombie Liu
long-range
Kang?
deflection and carving people up like
Oh my
a lazy
gosh.
turkey.
It's like a
Though
blender.
she hardly needs a weapon when she already has one. her hair. She'll command it to stretch like a tentacle, constrict opponents, and act essentially as an extra prehensile limb.
Not gonna lie, Wiz, that's kinda hot.
Oh,
Jesus.
You still think so if she used it to spin you like a top fast enough to obliterate your body?
Oh my gosh. Yo, this,
Okay.
the fatalities are
all
so
that
cool.
pales in comparison to her signature ability, the Banshee Scream. This ultrasonic shout is powerful enough to detonate heads, split limbs, and rend flesh. Her screaming power can even be focused into mystical fireballs of destruction called Star Screamers.
Oh, like that Transformer
Star Scream,
huh? Eat his soul.
No. Sindel once screamed with enough force to annihilate a
Oh, is that the really bad movie?
This resembles the effects of a magnitude
Beat 10
5.0
Command.
earthquake,
Wow, 50
comparable to
seconds.
nearly 500 tons
Shattered
of
diamond.
exploding all at once.
With power like that, it's no wonder she was able to strut through Earthrealm's mightiest heroes, which include our old pal, Sub-Zero! What, I kept it as a souvenir.
Oh my
Who,
gosh.
along with most of the series combatants, can shatter a block of pure diamond with his bare hand.
Yo,
A feat
Sub-Zero!
like this would require a pressure of at least 60 gigapascals. That's over 4,300 tons of force per square inch.
And Cabal!
Damn.
Who was fast enough to swat machine gun fire out of the air, like the flies in Boomstick's bathroom.
Accurate.
Nasty.
Judging by the likely muzzle velocity and rate of fire, Cabal must have been reacting within 600ths of a second in order to consistently
Cabal
parry
is a
these
really
bullets.
cool character
And he
too.
blocked a bunch of them back
God, I need to play that game, man.
Sindel
Damn.
wound up getting blown up
Whoa.
and brainwashed all over again. Man, this chick can't catch a break. Though the zombie MILF thing's kind of working
The
for her.
zombie
Well,
MILF.
that's only one possible timeline.
Ha!
In the original story, she was actually freed from Shao Kahn and regained control of Edenia. In another, it seems the killing of her royal husband was actually her plan all along.
Either way, we're talking about Mortal Kombat. They all die eventually.
Whoa!
But compared to the Queen, everyone else...
Whoa, I want to play that Mortal Kombat game. Damn.
Alright,
Oh, there's an ad. Alright, yo, we're about to see who's gonna win. My money is gonna be, as much as my gut is saying Sindel's gonna win, I want to say is gonna be Black Canary. That's what I want. So let's just skip right to the battle. If you haven't already, please hit that like button, subscribe, and yo, leave a comment down below on who you think is gonna win. Let's just start this. Ooh. Oh, Jesus.
Talk about Scooby-Doo meets Fight Club.
Scooby-Doo meets Fight Club. I'm dead.
Enough of this farce.
Oh, why is her hair so poofy?
Behold your queen. I shall strip the flesh from your bones.
I feel like they're both gonna scream at each other so loud that everyone in the audience is gonna die. Come on, Black Canary. Whoa. Oh, she flexible. Ooh. Oh, shit, X-ray move. Fuck. Arrgh.
Are you hurt, child?
Fam, is this gonna be the shortest death battle ever?
No kidding. I almost fell asleep.
Oh wait, she has that membrane that protects her ears, but I don't think she does. Oh.
So are ring outs a thing here?
Insufferable creature.
Uh-oh.
We fight to the death.
Hey, she's not used to that, eh? Death battles. Like actual death battles. Ooh.
Such a pretty bird with such an ugly song. Tell me, can you fly?
Oh no. Just gonna drop her. Yeah, use your canary bomb. Sorry, I'm just like in awe right now. Like I'm just so focused on. Woo! My girl won.
Fatality.
Hey, yo! That was sick.
Head is blasting up again! Or
Oh man,
technically,
yo.
I tried to work it in, guys.
this battle was a curious one. For the
As
most
if I
part,
won that.
Sindel's physical strength, projectiles, and aerial maneuverability let her keep up with the bird of prey.
Alright.
Yeah, she was 160 times stronger. But Canary's made a living off fighting superhumans who are even stronger than that. Like
That's
Mammoth
true.
and Giganta. So I guess that wasn't that big of an advantage, really.
Comparing Cabal's
I didn't think about
timing
that.
to her nanosecond reaction, Dinah's reaction speed was easily 60 million times faster. And with her wide array of martial arts abilities, she certainly capitalized on this.
Sure, Sindel had some awesome moves, but sadly, stepping on people like a hot dominatrix doesn't quite stack up when Black Canary mastered way more fighting styles. Plus,
Oh,
she'd
that's
been
true.
training all her life. Adenia was super peaceful before Shao Kahn came along, so I doubt Sindel was taking names and kicking ass all before that.
But let's move
That
on
is
to the
true. I
comparison
didn't think about
everyone
that.
wants to know. Which was deadlier, the Banshee Scream or the Canary Cry? We know Dinah's cry could reach 300 decibels. In comparison, the results of Sindel's most powerful
probably
scream are similar
more.
to a 5.0 earthquake, which is equivalent to only 235 decibels.
Oh, never mind.
I know what you're thinking. That's a difference of only 65 decibels. That can't be all that different.
It's a big
Wrong.
difference.
It's totally different, because decibels are freaking weird.
See, decibels are not like meters or minutes, which scale geometrically. Instead, decibels scale logarithmically. For every 10 decibels a sound is, its intensity increases tenfold. So 30 decibels is 10 times greater than 20 decibels. 40 is 10
Ooh.
times greater than 30, and so on.
So, every increase multiplies the sound instead of just adding to it. Wait a minute. That means the Canary Cry would be...
About 1 million times
Yeah.
stronger than the Banshee Scream. Nearly 500 megatons
Jesus.
of TNT.
awesome.
She didn't stand a chance. I didn't know that about
Comparison
decibels,
we can
actually.
make is the Krakatoa eruption of 1883.
Oh, yeah, I read
a
about
volcano
that.
blast so powerful it could be heard over 3,000 miles away. Not so different from what Dinah
This
has
guy's
been
ears are
capable of.
bleeding.
It also didn't hurt that Canary had those special membranes in her ears.
Yeah, that's what I
to guard
said.
Sindel's scream.
In the end, Canary had the speed, skill, and raw decibels to finish her.
Let's go, Canary.
Sindel's time to die. Nah.
What, no pun about screams?
Well, I was gonna, but
Here we
I thought
go.
a pun that obvious wouldn't be allowed.
winner is
Good one.
Black
That was a good
Canary.
one. Yo, let's see who's in his next death battle. Oh, yo, I'm excited. Ooh. Oh, no. Okay, I'm nervous. Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Oh, okay, Ninja Turtles. Okay. Oh, Power Red Raid. Oh, they're both elite. Yo, what? Yo, it's gonna be so sick. The leader of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles versus the leader of the original Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. Oh my god, why are they gonna have to put me up against them too? Because I'm gonna say for that one, just because I grew up more watching Power Rangers than Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, I'm gonna say the Power Rangers gonna win. But anyways, yo, that death battle was crazy. Sindel versus Black Canary. I feel like Black Canary was the underdog. At least I thought she was. But I guess not. She clearly just had a huge advantage over Sindel. But that was a great death battle, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching that with me. So please like, share, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and I'm going to see you in the next video very soon. And peace.